What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing y'all my 1981 Toyota pickup. It's basically a resto mod. Bought the truck about a year and a half ago and done a bunch of work to it. First thing I'm going to show y'all is the dual transfer cases. So this thing has a 2.28 transfer case crawl box in the front, and then a 4.7 reduction in the rear. That gives me like a 172 to 1 reduction. As you can see, this thing moves super slow, and the amount of torque that this thing generates is insane when it's geared down in those lower gears. Give y'all a little look under the hood. So I completely rebuilt this truck, basically from the ground up, a frame off rebuild. So fresh engine rebuild, custom bumper. It's got trail gear, high steer steering kit. Rear up front swap, which moves the front axle forward about 2 inches, gives you a little more clearance in the fender wells. It's got 33-inch Federal mud terrains on it, stock rear suspension, custom flatbed, all built by myself. So it's got the trail gear 4.7 reduction, advanced adapters, dual transfer case adapter with the dual bearings, Badland Harbor Freight winch. Really happy with that. Really surprised at the quality for the price. You can't beat it. So yeah, this is my 1981 pickup. Show a little side view there. A little more walk around. Nice little angle right there. Truck has a Weber 3236 carburetor. Really does good. PCV delete. It's got all the emissions delete when I rebuilt it. What else? AC works, blows cold. Very important for here in Texas. And you can see the AC's pumping and it's pumping out 50 degrees, just idling, which is pretty good for a 35-year-old AC system. Interior's in pretty good shape for the most part. The cab does have a little bit of rust, which is common on these. It's got a little corner rust right here that I patched, and then the fenders right here. Eventually I'll replace the fenders, but not a super big deal. Custom rear drive shaft, Schedule 40 pipe. Got lucky and it bounces out really well. Dual transfer cases, like I said, it's got the advanced adapter, 2.28 in the front, 4.7 in the rear. It's a great combination. That's it. If I could ask y'all, subscribe to the channel. I want to do some more videos with this thing. Let me know what y'all want to see. Thanks for watching.